What are you going to watch this weekend?
No idea.
So we're answering this question that is probably on everyone's mind. We've brought 5 of the latest OTT releases that you must check out this weekend.
And the first one is Panchayat Season 3, which has premiered on Prime Video. And if you haven't checked out the first 2 seasons, this is the perfect time because you're going to be able to binge 3 full seasons in one go. The star cast is none other than Jitendra Kumar, Neena Gupta and Raghuveer Yadav. It's going to be quite a fun show. Season 2 had ended on a cliffhanger and Season 3 is it picks up from right there. And this time the interesting part is that Sachiv Ji, which is Abhishek Tripathi, played by Jitendra Kumar, his transfer has been cancelled and he's back in the village, and there's a political rivalry going on because there's an upcoming Panchayat election, and the season revolves around that and Sachiv Ji's love life. So it's going to be really interesting. Do check it out on Prime Video.
Then we have the reality TV show The Kardashians. Season 5 is now available on Disney Plus Hotstar. It's a crazy watch. This season is going to navigate Courtney's pregnancy, her journey, and also the baby shower. Also, there's Kendall and Kylie catching up. Guess where?
Where?
In Paris.
Oh, how cool.
And
Paris, right?
Yeah, Paris. Paris. Yeah,
Oh.
That's how we say it in French.
Okay.
But these sisters, the 5 of them, how they basically navigate the dynamics, and of course under the watchful eye of their momager.
It's going to be quite a ride with the Kardashians this time.
I think it's always quite a roller coaster ride with these people. Also, not to forget, Kim also asked Khloe to change her ways, and I'm dying to know what are these ways that Kim wants Khloe to change.
So the 2024 release, Crew, has released on Netflix, and I'm really looking forward to it because I didn't catch it in theaters. So Kriti Sanon, Kareena Kapoor Khan and Tabu, an all-female lead, is going to be really great to watch. I'm sure it's a roller coaster of laughter because it's about these flight attendants. Their airline goes in some sort of weird financial crisis and it leads to a heist and an adventure and lots of laughter. And these gorgeous ladies are stuck in a really daring plan. And the best part is our favorite Diljit Dosanjh is also there, whose hit number from the film Naina became really big. So Netflix, I am totally going to watch this Crew this weekend.
Definitely. I hope it transports you into the plane. I would love to be a part of that particular flight, honestly.
Let's hope so.
Also, then there is this sci-fi thriller called Atlas, which has released on Netflix. It has none other than the gorgeous Jennifer Lopez.
We love you, Jennifer.
Yes, always. You're always going to be Jenny from the block for us.
Totally.
So, basically in this movie, Jennifer Lopez is the counter-terrorism data analyst who is completely against artificial
Intelligence?
Yeah, artificial intelligence. And basically...
I got you.
Yes. Basically, this traces her adventure, and then she is forced to change into, change her beliefs about the whole artificial intelligence aspect, as she has to go on a mission to capture a renegade robot to save humanity. Sounds quite crazy. It is a proper thriller.
Yeah, totally sci-fi. मेरे सर के ऊपर से चला गया सब.
Maybe we'll watch it and, it will not be as much as rocket science for us.
Can always watch it for J-Lo for sure.
Yeah.
So the next one is the Malayalam film Adu Jeevatham. I hope I've said it right. It's also called The Goat Life. It's starring Prithvi Raj Sukumaran. And this is about survival in a foreign land. This movie has released on Disney Plus Hotstar. And the very interesting part about it is that the OTT release has some deleted scenes. So it's going to be an extended version of the film. So all you Mallu film fans and all you Prithvi Raj fans, do check it out.